Hey, welcome back to the series of Business Studies, Chapter 5, Organizing. In this video, we are learning about steps in the process of organizing. By the way, this is OBC online business class. As you all know, if you are not familiar with, that means you are new to this channel. It's worth subscribing, so consider it. Okay, let's start. Organizing involves a series of steps that to be taken in order. Like example, suppose 12 students work for the school library. They are told to upload a shipment of a new release, stock to the bookshelves, and then disposal of all waste packets and papers, etc. If all students decide to do it on their own way, it creates mass mess or confusion. However, if one student supervises the whole work process by grouping students, dividing the work, assigning each groups their allotment, and developing reporting relationship among them, thus job will be done faster and also in the better manner. From above description, the following steps arise in the process of organizing. Identification and division of work. The first step in the process of organizing involves identifying and dividing the work that has to be done accordance with the plans. This helps work to divide into the manageable activities so that duplication can be avoided and the burden of work can be shared among the employees. Second step, departmentalization. Once work has been divided into small and manageable activities, then those activities which are similar in nature are grouped together. Such sets facilitate specialization. This grouping process is called departmentalization. Departments can be created using several criteria as a basis. For example, some of the most popular used bases are territories like North, South, West, and products like appliances, clothes, cosmetics. Moving on to the next step, that is assignment of duties. It is necessary to define the work of different job positions and accordingly allot work to the various employees. Once departments have been formed, each of them is placed under a charge of individual. Jobs are then allotted to the members of each department in accordance to their skills and capacities. It is essential for effective performance that a proper match is made between the nature of job and ability of individual. The work must be assigned to those who are best fitted to perform it well. Moving on to the next step, establishing reporting relationship. Just allocating work is not enough. Each individual should also know from whom he has to take orders and to whom he is accountable. Establishment of such clarity relationship helps to create hierarchy structures and helps in coordination among various departments. That's why establishing reporting relationship is important. This is steps or a process of organizing. If you found this video helpful, share it to those who need it. Click here to watch the next series, which is on importance of organizing. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.